Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce a package for making a special effects with skinned mesh in Unity. Okay, we should take a look at this package over here which called Skinner. It has been released almost 5 or 6 years ago, but it's still updating until 4 years ago by Kjero, which called Skinner. I will share the link of this package in the description of this video. As you can see, the character is moving, you know, in an action way, and it attached some effects into the skinned mesh. Okay, you just need to download the zip of this package and import the assets folder into your projects folder. But remember, because the compiler of this package is for 4 years ago, probably in this Skinner source.cs, it is the C# script, and maybe in the void late update, you will have a problem with a line which says if we don't have vr settings, we will do something like this. But in the new version of Unity, there is no Unity engine.vr settings. So I just make this, variable, boolean variable, active object, and I set it false to be able to simulate, okay, this project is not VR and vr.vr settings.enabled is false. I simulated that part. And yeah, I propose to do the same thing here, or even remove these things. Yeah, it depends on your decision. Okay. Whenever we do that and we won't have any error in the console, you will see in the Skinner folder you will have a lot of folders, but the most important one is test. Okay, look at this. It is our character, and this guy now Skinner mesh has an animator for action fighting, and the body, the skinned mesh renderer, Skinner source. Actually, this is our Skinner source, and it is the neo spin. It's the position 000 for the animations. But here, Skinner renders. In this part, we will see the list of Skinner renderers is kind of making effect with using a Skinner source. Look at this. In the source part, we will attach that body here. And here we will see the other parameters for this guy, and also the template of this one. Look at this. Here we will see. Okay, let's come back to the test, and first we should start with trail. Look at this. It is beautiful. As you can see, for the camera itself, the main camera, we just have a post-processing behavior. It's not for making glue and beautiful effect. What matter is this trail. If I disable it, we will have just this guy, the now one, the now effect. Even we can disable this guy as well. But let's go to the next one. Look at this. It's making particles around the mesh, and it is beautiful. For example, for the particle asteroids, look at this. It is awesome. And for example, we will go to the glitch. It is truly beautiful. It will be helpful for making any sci-fi games or action games or any effects we want, or even horror genre of the games. Okay, I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.